If you're choosing between Lemon Squeezy and Stripe, this isn't just payment platform versus payment platform. It's merchant of record simplicity versus payment infrastructure power. So which platform is actually better? Let's break it down. Lemon Squeezy is designed to make selling digital products simple. It acts as a merchant of record, meaning it handles things like sales tax, VAT, subscriptions, and global compliance for you. That makes it especially attractive for indie developers and SaaS creators. But here's the catch. Because it handles more for you, you also give up some flexibility and control. Stripe takes the opposite approach. It provides powerful payment infrastructure, APIs, subscriptions, billing tools, and extensive integrations. Many startups and larger businesses use it because it scales extremely well and gives developers more customization options. The downside is that taxes, compliance, and setup can require additional work depending on your business. So, which payment platform is better? Choose Lemon Squeezy if you want fast setup, built-in tax handling, and minimal operational work. Choose Stripe if you want maximum flexibility, deep integrations, and room to scale. Bottom line, for solo creators and smaller SaaS products, Lemon Squeezy often feels easier and faster. But for long-term growth and customization, Stripe is still the stronger overall platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.